YouTube, how's it hanging? I'm Christian Sinistai, and today I will be showing you the very easy process of sending money from Coinbase to Binance. So to start off, you're going to want to register with Coinbase. After that, you're going to want to purchase one of either Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, one of the big three. It doesn't matter, it's just personal preference. After that, you're going to send it to Binance. Once the money comes through, it should take 25-30 minutes. You're going to purchase your altcoin through Binance with the Bitcoin you sent. After that, you're just going to wait for the cash to flow in because it's cryptocurrency. It's 2018. Everything's booming. Lastly, you can optionally send your funds to a secure wallet so it doesn't get hacked. I've heard a lot of people have been getting their money hacked, like losing all their money, don't know where it went. People just log into their account and take their money. It's really messed up, actually. So, to start, you're going to want to go to Coinbase. I already have my account, so I don't need to sign up myself or register. So you're going to go to buy sell. Pick which one you want, either Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Those are the only three that will work for this. Do not buy Bitcoin Cash if you want to transfer money. This is the very easiest way to buy altcoins, in my opinion. I like doing this. It's really easy. There is only one problem. There's a little small fee that Coinbase takes out. So to start, you're going to click Bitcoin or whatever one you're doing. Put in how much money you want to buy. Say you're buying $300 worth. That Bitcoin pops up. You buy it instantly. Once the money comes through, it'll go into your accounts. I only have $5 left on here because I have all my money secured in a wallet. But when you get here, you're going to want to click send. And this little bar pops up for an address to send it to. This is where Binance comes in. You go to Binance, you register. I already have my account, no money in here in my wallet. Look up BTC, the Bitcoin. Hit deposit. This address pops up. Now this is very important. You must make sure that you copy every single letter in this bar. You can do it manually like this, or you can just click here, copy address. Succeed, it's copied. You go back to Coinbase, and you paste that address here. Now, it may be very catastrophic if you mess up any letter. One letter can send the money somewhere else in the internet. You have no idea where it went. You might not be able to ever get it back. So, make sure that you are getting every single letter in this address. It's very important. After that, you pick how much money you want to send to Binance. You can buy your altcoins. I'm guessing if you're sending $300, you're probably going to want to send the max. So you type in $300, transfers all your Bitcoin. After that, you hit continue. See, look here. This is the only problem. There's a small fee. $15 out of 300, that's not bad. It's pretty small, but you're still losing money. So, that's why some people don't prefer this route, but this is the easiest, simplest, most efficient way to send your money. So, it might take about 25 to 30 minutes for your money to come through, but when it does, it will show Bitcoin. It'll have all the money. It'll say available balance. It'll have your whole balance of how much money you sent over. Now, this is the tricky part. After that, you go to exchange, basic. Wait for it to load. See, when you look at this, it might be really confusing, but it's actually very simple. Whatever one you send it over with, Ethereum or Bitcoin or Litecoin, you hit one of these at the top. So we did with Bitcoin. And you're gonna let's look up ADA. That's the one. Cardano, I love it. It's my favorite. It's the one I'm invested in the most. You come down here to limit. Now, it'll show your available balance of Bitcoin here, or Ethereum, or whatever you bought it with. And it has the market price for Bitcoin. Now, you type in how much Cardano you want. You want to go 25% of your available balance, 50% of your available balance, or 75% or all of it. You just hit this 100%, 75%, and it'll automatically put in the amount for you. After that, you just hit buy. And there you go. You have your Cardano. You have your altcoin, whatever you bought. It's personal preference. You want to make sure it went through. You go to deposits, withdrawals, and at the top, it'll have whatever you bought as an available balance. If you look up here in the top right, it'll show you estimated value. So that's based on the current market value, how much money you'll have in your wallet. I have $0 because it's in a secure wallet right now, so it can't get hacked. But it'll show up here until you transfer it. Now there are very many ways you can transfer it to Bitcoin secure wallet, to a secure wallet. Even on bitcoin.org, it'll gives you a step-by-step process on how to go. Gives you all the reasons for it, why it's better, why it's like it's good for you, all this stuff. This is good stuff. This is very optional. If you want, you could keep it on Binance, but it is more at risk. So a lot of people like to put it in a secure wallet so it cannot get taken from them. So there you have it. That is how you send your money from Coinbase to Binance so you can buy more altcoins. Now, as for the rest of my channel, for the future, you can try and look for outlook on coins. Like as of right now, I really like Cardano. I think that's a pretty good coin to buy into. Verge, Tron just announced today that they are signing with a gaming organization. You know, Tron's known for its content creation, so I think that could be huge. Let's see what else. I said Verge, Tron, Cardano, Ripple. I like Ripple a lot. Ripple's already working with banks, partnering with banks, so that could be huge. But yeah, you can just look for tutorials, coin outlooks, my information, you know, personal stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to not leave without leaving a like or a comment or subscribing. YouTube, we'll see you later.